Welcome back, unicorn fans. Today we have the Little Life Pets from Moose Toys. Thank you, Moose Toys, for sending them in. Here we have 3 of the Little Life Pets. First we have Little Bird, Little Dippers, and Little Turtle. First we're gonna open Little Bird. Here it is. Right here you can see our bird. She's pink, and look at her long eyelashes. Over here it says she can talk back, her head turns, and there's 20+ bird sounds. On the back it says, the more you pet, the more I sing. I record your voice and say it back. And it looks like we have Tiara Tweets. A royal performer, a song she sings is sparkle as bright as her wings. Now let's open her up. Here she is. Let's take her out. Here's our bird, and you're gonna need 2 AAA batteries because the batteries are not included. On the bottom we have an on and off switch. Right now it is currently off, so we can turn it on, just like that. Right here in the front, you're gonna hold down this button and you'll talk to her and she'll repeat what you say. Welcome back, unicorn fans. Isn't that so cool? On her back, if you pet her, she'll make different noises. She's singing. She also turns her head. Isn't this so cute? Right here on the side, we have her wings. They're sparkly on both sides. She is so cute. She's singing. She is so cute, and I love how she repeats what you say. Over here, there are also 5 to collect, and they're super cute. Here we have our Little Life Pets turtle. Is able to walk on land and in water. On the back, it looks like we have Sandy Turtle. Over here, it says they come to life in your hands. These sweet swimming, cute crawling turtles move so well. They each have their own look and different colored shells. They appear so realistically, moving on land and in water. This is super cool. Now let's get opening. There you go. Let's take our turtle out. Look how cute she is. Here we have Sandy the turtle. Right here, her skin is pink and her shell is purple. And look at this pretty design. It has some seashells on it. Here she is. Right down here is her on button. So once you press it, she can walk on the land. Isn't that super cool? Then you can turn it off. Then you can also put her in water. So when you press her button and put her underwater, she can swim. Look, she swims on top of the water. Whoa. That's so cool. Here we have our fish. It says to open, hold back underwater, and fish magically swims out. On the back, it shows you the steps how to open it. So you remove cord wrapper, dip bag underwater to open, and swims out of the pack. So we're gonna take off this part. Just like that. This is the part you want to dip in the water, so we're going to put this under the water. You know, hold it down here for a little bit and wait until the fish swims out. You can hear it trying to swim out. Look. look, there goes our fish. It's swimming in the water. It comes with a fish feeder. When you feed it to your fish, it follows it. So let's give it to Seed Queen right here, and she'll follow her fish feeder. Just like this, look. She's following it. Whoa, look at that. That is super cool. These little Wise pets are so much fun to play with in the water and to have with you. Thank you for watching Unicorns Reveal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell until next video. Bye!